Yan, buenos dias mga kasangkayan. Welcome back to my channel. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman. So, gagawin namin ngayon, dahil wala kayong pasok, House 7.
Good morning, good morning! Linis-linis naman, pagbaitan.
So, hindi naman siya masyadong marumi. Hindi masyado.
Bawas lang ka ni Kabo.
Wala, tanggal ni kabuk lang.
Bawas ka mong na rin.
Actually, lagi namang malinis yung room namin kasi meron namang regular na naglilinis dito araw-araw. Pero siyempre, iba pa rin yung ikaw naglilinis kasi makikita mo talaga yung dumi.
Aabot yung ano. May ano pa. Saan? Kaya kunti lang naman yung ligpitin. Tatanggal lang kami ng alikabok. Lumante ng gamot sa puso.
Driving the highways, runaways, forget our past. I wanna grow this moment, I want it to always last. I don't mind, this is the life I wanted. I wanna know, I couldn't forget this moment. The water's cold, I wish I'd known this road isn't the easiest. I wanna know what you told in your mind when you're standing by my side. We could be easily anywhere in the world this time. We could be anything we ever want. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we wanted? Why would we even not wanna even try when I could be everything you wanted?
Yan mga kasangkayan, malapit na kami matapos maglinis.
Everything you wanted.
Dito sa bahay, pag nasa tiris ka, mga gusali lang ang matatanaw mo.
Would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we want?
Ito yung setup ng aking computer. Dito ako nag-live stream at sa tabi naman yung aking kama. Malapit na kami matapos maglinis, pupunasan ko na lang ng tuyong map para kumintab yung sahig. Alright mga kasangkayan, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa nakaabot sa dulo ng aking video. Sa muli, gracias, adios!